students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are going to discuss class 8 topic comparing quantities. So let's start with the topic comparing quantities. Now today we are going to discuss the basic introduction and based on that we are going to do some of the questions. So first of all you need to understand what do you mean by ratio. Whenever two quantities of the same kind are divided with each other, then we say this is a ratio. Okay, two quantities of same kind. What do you mean by same kind? Suppose we are dividing two values, one is in kgs and one is in liters. We cannot divide that because the kg and liters, they are different. So we cannot divide that. So the two quantities, whichever they have to be divided, so they have to be of the same unit. The units should be same. Only then we can divide the quantities, whether it is kg, whether it is grams, liters, whatever the unit, meter, centimeter, but it should be of the same kind. Only then we can divide it and only then this is known as a ratio. The second thing is percentage. What do you understand by percentage? Whenever the denominator is divided by 100, in this the denominator should be 100. Any quantity whose denominator is 100, that is expressed in the percentage form. Suppose we say 200 upon 100. So I can write it as 200%. Because in the denominator there is 100, so I can write it as 200%. And this numerator is known as the rate percent. We call the numerator as rate percent. Now the third thing is, which you need to understand before going to the questions, is what do you mean by discount? What do you mean by discount? Discount is the reduction. We go to the market, we get a discount on some of the products. So it is the reduction on marked price. Whatever reduction we get on the marked price is known as the discount. If we have to write the formula for discount, we write it as marked price minus sale price. That is the marked price, which is the given value of the product, and this is the sale price, that is the discount we are giving on that product. So marked price minus sale price is the discount. Now come to the questions. Suppose first question is given to you, by what percent is 2000 rupees 2000 less than rupees 2400. This is the question given to you, that by what percentage is rupees 2000 less than rupees 2400. So whenever this type of questions are there where you have to find out the decrease percent, what you have to do, you have to find out the difference first. The difference is 2400 minus 2000, that is 400. Now we have to find out the decrease percent. That is, decrease percent is whatever the difference upon original value into 100. So difference is 400. What is the original value? Original value is 2400 because we have asked by what percent is 2000 less than 2400. So this is the original value and this is 2000. This is, you have asked that how much this is less. So this is the original value. So we will write down 2400 into 100. So this 100 gets cancelled with these two zeros. 4 6 are 24. So this comes out to be 100 by 6. We have to divide 100 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 4, 0, 6 6 are 36. It comes out to be near about this 16.67%. So you can find it like this, right? Come to the next question, which is similar to this question. Suppose you have asked by what percentage rupees 2400 more than rupees 2000. Now we have asked by what percentage this value more than this original value. So first we have to find out the difference. So the difference will be 2400 minus 2400 and more than. So we have to find out the increase percent, which is difference upon original value into 100. So the difference will be 400. Original value here is 2000 into 100. These two zeros cancel with the denominator. Two zeros, 1 zero cancel with this 20. So the final answer is 20%. This number is 20% more than this number, right? Coming down to the third question. Suppose you have given 2 times a number is 100% increase in the number. If we do 2 times of a number, then there will be 100% increase in the number. This is given to you. If we take half the number, what will be the decrease percent? Now they are saying if we take half of that number, then what will be the decrease percent? So we don't know what the number is. Let the number is x. If we take half of the number, let's take half of this number. Half of x. What will be the decrease percent? So find out the decrease percent. We know decrease percent is the difference upon the original value into 100. What is the difference here? Half of x, because they are saying that 2 times a number is 100% increase in the number. Whatever the final number will come, if we do twice of that, then there will be 100% increase. So that depends upon the answer. Now, if we take half the number, whatever number is given to you, you have to take half the number. So this number is given to you, let the number is x. So half the number, then what will be the decrease percent? So this is half the the number x by 2. So take this value here upon original number is x into 100. So this becomes x by 2 into x into 100. This x cut down with this, 2 cut down with this, and this comes out to be 50%. So if we do 2 times of 50%, it comes out to be 100%, and that is what we have asked. So in this way you can solve some of the questions related to comparing quantities. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.